In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see others in your Facebook stories see other viewers. We'll walk through where to find your past stories, how to check who viewed them, and how to fine-tune who can see future stories so your viewer list is accurate and intentional. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the home screen. At the top right, tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. This icon can appear slightly differently depending on your device, but it's usually in the upper right. From the menu, tap your name to go to your profile. This takes you to your personal page where your profile options live. On your profile, look for the three dots near the top and tap them to open more options. Here, choose Archive. The archive is where Facebook automatically stores your past stories after they expire. Inside, tap Story Archive to see a list of your previously posted stories. This is the key area for reviewing who viewed what, even after the 24-hour window has passed. Now in the Story Archive screen, tap the settings icon in the upper right. This opens your story controls. Tap See All Story to view the full set of options related to stories. Next, tap Who Can See Your Stories. This is important because your viewer list will only reflect people who are allowed to view the story in the first place. If you want to control visibility more precisely, tap Custom. From here, you can tailor who is allowed to see your stories going forward, which helps keep your future viewer lists relevant to the audience you intend. Once your settings are where you want them, head back to the Story Archive, select a story to review, and you'll see the viewer information associated with that story. Facebook typically shows a viewer count and, when available, the list of accounts that watched it. If you have multiple stories in your archive, slide the screen to the left to move through them quickly and review each story's viewers as you go. A few quick tips for clarity. Interfaces can vary slightly between Android and iOS and across app updates, so labels might differ by a word or two. If you don't see viewer names, it may be because the story was limited to a smaller audience or because the viewer's privacy settings restrict their visibility. Also, ensure your app is up to date for the latest layout. That's it. By navigating to your story archive and confirming your story audience settings, you can easily review who viewed your stories and keep control over who sees them in the future.